All right, so today we are going to do some little bit of upgrades on the old Omni, getting it back up and running. I think the last video I made was driving it home. Here comes all the loud cars. So today, what we're going to work on, what's in that box right there. If I can zoom out, I think this is as far as this camera goes. It's going to be replacing these old dried up seals around the door. As you can see, I think my son was out today with the pressure washer washing his car off because he's sick of the bird crap we get around here. You can see my daily driver how it's just, yeah, it's splattered. There's nothing you can do because of these trees. They're nice in the summer, but man, it sucks with the birds. So replacing these seals, from what I heard or what I read online, is that Mustang Fox body door trim, unboxing here, works really well with these Omnis, and it's the same size and fit. And of course, the Mustang is two-door, so I had to get two kits to do the four-door on the Omni. So of course, everything you read on the internet's got to be correct, right? So let's open these up and see what we're working with here. So that'd be one door's worth, and of course they're going to be a little long, but see if you can see that. Yeah, it might work. Let's pull one of these off and see what we got. Probably don't want to take that off first. Let me go get a screwdriver. Screwdriver acquired. Door seal plate taken off, and yeah, seats are going to be something we're going to work on soon, and carpet and other missing shit out of here. But looks like this stuff just pops off. Yeah, easy as that. Let's bring it up over here. Maybe we can get a good, there we go, maybe we can get a good side-by-side comparison. So looks like that might be the ticket. Yeah, now of course you're going to lose your interior matching color on the trim there, but I mean, there's worse things in the world. So let me get this first one kind of test fitted up, and we'll see how it goes. All right, here it is, tapped all the way home, all the way around. This upper corner up here was a little tight, but it went in. It conformed. I don't know if we can get a good shot of the inside there. It conformed pretty well. They get the persuader out there and give it a couple taps in a few spots. I didn't take this interior trim piece off. The only spot it was kind of it was a little tight down in this area here to get it in behind, but a little persuasion, I mean just very slight tap, and it went right in. And then again, because this is from a Fox body, you do have quite a bit extra. I haven't trimmed it off yet because I was just making sure all my areas were flat. So yeah, so Fox body Mustang door molding, you lose the color trim, but you don't let water in your car. So I think it's a pretty fair trade-off. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to trim this, and then we'll start on some of the other doors. Alright, so here's the backside done. Went in pretty easy. Had to, of course, take the little sill plate off. I did loosen up the trim on the inside here because it was real tight down here at the bottom. And but the corner up top went pretty good. I'm sure that'll form with age, but everything else, like all around, went pretty good. You are left with quite a bit more on the back left over, but you can see it on the front. There's no wiggle to that door. I just need to figure out the seals here, what I can get for that. But open the door up, and you can see where I cut it and seamed it there at the bottom. And yeah, went together real nice. Works really well, and this is a real nice piece. I did buy these from let's call them, what was it? Like American Muscle. They do just muscle car restoration, a lot of Fox body stuff, and probably could have found them cheaper online somewhere else. But I've heard these are really good quality, so it was 120 bucks shipped with shipping, tax, everything was about 120 bucks. They were like $53 a set, and of course you need 2 sets because you got 4 doors. But these would probably work on the 2-door L body also because they are pretty long. So let's wrap up trimming that one, doing the other 2 sides, and we'll be back. All right, we got it all wrapped up, all 4 doors done. Yeah, so what I gotta say is, hey, go ahead. So sorry, my son's in the background. But overall, super easy to fit. It just snaps right in. The fit's really nice. The door's shut a lot better now with no play. Ugh, except for L-body door handles that are probably gonna break. But yeah, overall, fits really nice, and you're gonna have a couple feet off of each one that you're gonna have left over. But yeah, fits really good. Highly recommend it. Fox body door seals, I'm sure you can find them just about anywhere. I'll link down below where I got mine, and I'm gonna need to take it down the road here in a minute. But first, since you've seen this last, my son's Daytona. Oh, don't worry about the random Subaru rim on it. We was just seeing if it would fit because it's the old rims off my old Subaru since I got newer ones on. But he was changing oil on this because we had some leaky injectors, and he can't drive a stick yet, so I get to pull it off the rams here. So this is a 90 Daytona Turbo 1 5-speed. How's it got? 133,000. We got it with a missing gas tank, a blown turbo, and apparently no brakes. So we got the engine sorted out. Oh, battery's dead. Anyway, we got the turbo sorted out and got it replaced. Now we're just working on the brakes. So we got a new tank and stuff. So let me get my little jumper pack. We're going to start this up and we'll move it off the ramps for him. All right, we got her started. She's running good. I can't wait till we get yeah, till we get the brakes fixed and we can drive this thing. All right. So we kind of have the e-brake it right now. Try not to roll off of this and into my car. Did it kill it? I think I just killed it. She did. But we got a spare battery in it because we don't have a... Here, I'll let him get it started again. Get my little battery charger booster on it. it a second. It's not wanting to. No, it just doesn't have enough juice. Just plug it back in. Hold on. Alright, well, she wasn't interested in running this old spare battery we got. I think it's toast. But got the engine pretty much put back together. I've got some I got the vacuum lines kind of cobbled up at the moment just to get the bare minimum to get it running. We need to get those sorted out, but the engine's running great. And so we just got to get the battery sorted out on it. Battery, brakes, tags, all that good stuff. And so yeah, we can go a second and we'll get the battery hooked up on this thing, and then we'll head down the road, see if it's got any more wind noise. Now,